Hello subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we do look at three separate locations within Victoria, and what they have in common is architecture. So we'll be looking at an abandoned building, a building that's in retirement, and a preserved building that's in an isolated location. So first up is the Geelong Powerhouse, which has been abandoned for approximately 45 years. Its notoriety lays on being a legal art space for graffiti and mural artists. In this location, in Mackey Street in North Geelong, where you'll also find the Geelong Vintage Market and the Pickers Union Café, which is just walking distance. This is where one can find trash or treasure or nostalgic items from days gone past, and I believe they are open 7 days a week. Also, you'll see as we scan through a number of silos in the distance, and I've done a previous video of this, and this is basically where all the grain and sawdust, I believe, is placed onto cargo ships and taken around the world. Here we are at our second location, and this is the retiring farmhouse, and it's located on the Winchelsea Marsh Rd in Bambra, Victoria. It is between the Hare Krishna Valley retreat, where they provide accommodation, teachings, and even host weddings, and the Pondalowie Vineyard. So there's a vineyard just further on as you continue towards Lorne, for example. This is on the inland route, so if you are coming to Lorne as a destination, or if you want to avoid the Great Ocean Road, if you want to make your way to the coast, this would be the inland route that you would take, and this is what you'd see on the way. Now, my hat does go off to the owner of this building, or the farmer of this location, and I hope that people who come past to either take a photo of it do respect the fact that it is on private property, and do not make your way physically to this building. I think it's disrespectful, and it is a landmark for the community, and the farmer could have easily demolished this property. I'm not sure, I don't believe it's got some sort of national trust or overlay on it, but it's just a lovely thing to see as one drives on these country roads. So here we are at our final location, which I arrived by motorbike on this occasion. So we're at the preserved church, which is called Our Lady Help of Christian Catholic Church. And it's located at 309 Murniong Corabiet Road, Corabiet, Victoria. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Now, the foundation stone records that the stone was laid by His Grace, the Archbishop of Melbourne, in 1903 by the Most Reverend T.J. Carr. Now, the significance of this church is that the stone pavers inside the church grounds were donated by Paramount Productions Proprietary Limited, Australia, for the filming of Charlotte's Web in April 2005. So if you've got kids or a lover of the movie called Charlotte's Web, this is the church that's most likely in the movie. So there you go. So that's the significance of this church, which I was totally unaware of when I first arrived.
I know it's breaking through.
So here we are coming to the end of this video. And once again, thank you for your time. Please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And once again, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day. Bye for now.